Hi, everyone. I just wanted to let you know that yes, it's true. I just received the alert from the County of Nevada and the Board of Supervisors, the mayor of the city of Nevada City, Governor Newsom, the state of California, has indeed ordered the installation of 5G in our schools during the school closure and quarantine. Yes, it is completely 100% true. It's all verified, evidentiary, and it's important to get the word out that it is absolutely true. The disinfecting trucks are on signed NDAs, non-disclosure agreements, to lie to people claiming they're disinfecting when in fact they are installing 5G in our schools. All right. For anyone who is confused about the situation, it took about 72 hours for us to figure out what was going on, but it's real. It's extremely real. Thank you for listening, and thank you for participating in our political discussions. Thank you so much.